Hey friends, if you wish to view CPU temperature on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. But first, check this. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Expand this. Now go to the Performance section on the list on the left hand side. Under the CPU section, there's nothing for temperature here at all, so we'll need a third-party app. But here's what you can do. If you have an external graphics card, go to the GPU section and you'll find the GPU temperature, the graphic processing unit temperature here. The same for your system GPU, but nothing for the CPU. So if you want to know the CPU temperature, then open the Microsoft Store. If you don't find the icon here, search for it in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Type CPU temperature. The first app will be Radiograph, and stick to this app. Don't install other apps because they are way slower. Click on install, and it has a lot of ratings for an app which was not known to me till now. So this means it is quite a downloaded app. And then click on yes. Open this app and let's see what happens. Click on accept, and then you can expand this. Go to monitoring, the second section here. It shows the temperature. It's around 70 degrees Celsius for the CPU, and that's okay for my system because mine is a gaming laptop. So yes, the temperature remains around that, but you can lower it a little by keeping your computer in an air conditioned room or in a cooler space. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.